Hey guys, it's Stace coming to you from the rooftop of my Chef Shawan home. It's another glorious sunny day in the Blue City and I'm enjoying every minute of it. Alright, so I'm here because I wanted to go over the versatility and ease of using the This Modern Nomad Travel Bag and also just take this opportunity to highlight some of its design features and share with you how I like to use it. So as you can see in the front, I've chosen to add a carabiner because I like to tuck away my keys right here in this front envelope pocket. That way they're always ready to go, yet still secure. And I never waste any time searching for my keys. I always know exactly where they are. In this front zipper pocket is where I like to keep all the stuff that I need to get to regularly. Like, for example, my phone. We are in the modern world and we all need to get to our phones right away. For me, I also need regular access to my reading glasses because I'm blind as a bat. I also keep my journal here in the front pocket. I've decided to tuck a little pen here in the back side, and then in the front envelope pocket is where I like to keep all of my notes because I'm very much a pen and paper person and I'm always writing things down, so I always need to have my pen and paper nearby. These front envelope pockets are also really good for stowing away things like tickets, like bus, train, airline tickets, your boarding pass. I've even shoved a USB stick in here before when I needed to get something printed. So it's basically anything that you need to get to quickly while you're in transit. It's a really good solution for that. My glasses away. Check the keys. Okay, and as you know, there's a back zipper, and in this back zipper pocket is where I like to keep all my valuables, like the money and the passport. In Morocco, we have a cash economy, so I have to carry two wallets, one to hold paper money and coin, and the other to hold my credit cards and ATM. And then I generally am carrying my passport because I'm usually on the move, and this is really great when I'm traveling. You need to have regular access to your identity. Alright, so then when it's zipped up in the back, you can see that it's hidden and secure, yet you still retain that easy access to all the things that you need. Alright, so this is the bag in the crossbody style. Alright, so as you know, sometimes in life we are doing more vigorous activity like maybe hiking or cycling, or we're doing a project around the house or gardening, or maybe we're even playing in the park with our kids. In which case you don't want to have a bag that's like sliding around your body. You want something that's going to be close to you, have all your essentials, easy access, but stay close so you can be mobile. In which case the belt bag style is really useful for that. So you're going to put it on like any normal belt, and you're going to thread the strap through this first belt loop, and you can see that it keeps the setting very tight and secure. There's another belt loop here in the front. You thread that through, and then we don't want to deal with this extra flap, so I've actually designed this bag to have the strap be threaded right back through this first belt loop. And you can fold it down here. Alright, so in the beginning, you might encounter a little bit of resistance when you're trying to thread the strap through. That's because I've purposely designed the belt loops to be a little bit tight because leather stretches. And this is sheep leather. It's extremely soft and malleable, and you're gonna see that it's going to soften and conform to your body and your settings within a couple of weeks of use. So never fear, it will soften. So yeah, we don't want to deal with this extra either, so I've added two more belt loops on the back side. I like to always send this first belt loop all the way, slide it all the way to the buckle. That way it's completely secure. You can see that the buckle is covered. That means that there's no way that it's going to come undone. It's just that extra level of security. And then there's one more belt loop here that will serve to keep the flap completely flat to the bag, so that way you're not going to catch it on anything as you move through your day. Alright, so there you have it, the belt bag. And of course you still have that same easy access. I can always get to my phone when I need it, can get to my glasses when I need them. and then also my journal. And then when you have it in the belt bag style, you want to make sure that you keep a little bit of space available so you can access that bag zipper and get to your money, and also be able to stow it away really quickly as well. And then finally, that passport, which is great when you are in transit, like in an airport or anything, and you have to pull out your passport multiple times to show to people. This is a great place to stow it. It's close to your body, you know exactly where it is, and nobody's going to be able to get into this area without you knowing. So completely hidden and secure, but still easy access. And hands-free, very mobile setting. You can see that the bag doesn't move too much when it's being worn like this. Okay, so there's actually one final function if the occasion arises. This bag can actually be transformed into a kind of a clutch. So in this instance, you are going to thread the strap through all the way to its lowest setting, so the last hole, and then thread the strap through from there. And it's the same process. Threading through this second belt loop on the front side, and then sending the strap back through the belt loop that's right next to the buckle. Taking a moment to fold that leather down, make it nice and tight. And then you've got the two other belt loops on this other side. Again, I like to carry this first belt loop all the way to the buckle. So I'm really creating that nice sandwiching effect. And then you've got this final belt loop just to secure the flap from moving and keep it completely streamlined. And then voila, there you have a clutch. All right, so there you go, guys. This is the Modern Nomad Travel Bag, the perfect bag for your everyday travels. Hope you enjoy it.